Okay guys, so if you have problems with your Wi-Fi, like not connecting to connections available, you can easily fix it by following simple steps. So first of all, you need to click on Start menu or type here to search. You can click on Run command. You can type Run and open Run command. And here you need to type following command. This will open a device manager. So if you do not want to type here, you can simply open your My Computer and open device manager from there. So once a new window opened, please expand network adapters in your device manager. So expand it, select your network adapter. Usually it's first one. So click on it, right click, update drivers, select browse my computer for driver software. And here you need to click here, let me pick up from the list. So here you need to click on this tick, so it will show what drivers will work with your computer. So select this driver and click on next. Okay, so it will automatically update your driver and your Wi-Fi should be working again.